Hi and welcome to Call the Tech channel. Last time I promised you that I will make a video on how you can save money on your HVAC utility bill. Since we're in the summer season, you go out the door and your kids come in and coming out all the time and they forget to close the door. Automations can help you do that. So when somebody opens up the door, your HVAC will go off. And when everything is closed in the house, it will go back on. So that way you don't run your energy bill high. Your door is open or your window is open and you're just heating your neighbors or cooling your neighbors. So you can do that by using the Samsung SmartThings hub and Smart Thermostat. The two most popular ones out there are Google Nest and Ecobee. Since I moved in the house, Ecobee is one of the thermostats that came with it, and I've been using it in my home automations ever since. So I can show you how you can how this runs, and we're gonna open up the door right now, and the thermostat will go off. And once I close the door, thermostat will turn on automatically and your AC will start running. And I'm gonna show you the windows as well. Once I open the window, thermostat will shut off, and when I close the window, thermostat will turn on. And last time, as I mentioned, I have smart sensors on windows and doors all over the house, and that's what makes this automation work. You can use other sensors out there, but these are the Samsung SmartThings sensors and they work great. I'm going to show you how you can set up this in Samsung SmartThings application. There are two ways. You can use a thermostat director or you can use the automations part of it. I'm going to show you now how you can create automations in your SmartThings app to control your HVAC systems. For example, if somebody opens up a door or a window, your HVAC will turn off. And if everything is closed, the HVAC system will turn back on, depending if it's air conditioning or your furnace. So bear with me here. You would open up your SmartThings app and you would click on the ellipses, click on automations, and you would click on a plus sign. In the if statement, you're going to choose your devices, aka doors or windows sensors, where you have them all placed. So device status, and for example, I'm going to choose my backyard door. And we're going to set up the one when everything, at least when one door or window is open, the HVAC will turn off. So I'm going to choose my backyard door and we're going to say contact sensor. And then when it's open, save. And then we're also going to add more. So we can, because I have them throughout my house on windows and doors, just as an example to show you how to do it. I won't do all of them, but just so you see how it's done. So I'm gonna choose family room sensor, contact sensors, open, save. Let's add add one more time. Device status. I'm gonna add my daughter's window, contact sensor, open, save. And now we have these three, one door and two windows. And make sure because you want it to happen when one thing is open. So make sure you select when any condition below is met. And then here we're gonna add your thermostat. So control device. And I'm gonna find my thermostat here, main 4. Go next. And we're going to choose the state it's going to be, because the doors or windows are going to be open. We want because it's a summertime now, we want the AC to turn off. So we'll just turn it off. And we can say save. And save. And you can name your automation here. AC off. Okay, and then that'll be the one when it's off. So we're gonna add the one when it's on. So we gotta make sure to add, again, device status. We're going to choose the backyard door, contact sensor when it's closed. Say we're gonna add another one, family room sensor, contact sensor, closed, save. We're gonna add the other window as well. Here, contact sensor, closed. Okay, so now because we want to make sure everything is closed so the AC will turn back on, you gotta select when all conditions below are met. So let's choose our thermostat again and click next, and then choose the mode to be on cool, so the AC turns on, and you click save and save again. You can name your automation AC on. Okay, and now you have your automations created, so that should work. There's also another way we can do it. There's a smart app. If you click on ellipses again and you click smart apps, you click the plus sign, and then there's an option called thermostat mode director. There's four options. There's director settings, thermostat indoors, thermostat booster, and settings. So here we can select director settings, and here which temperature sensor will control your thermostat. So you want to select one temperature sensor that's going to control the main temperature. So you can choose your thermostat as one as well. And then here, when the temperature falls below this temperature, set the mode to you want it set to 23 degrees Celsius. So you go here, and if the temperature falls below, you want it to go on heat. And then when the temperature goes above this temperature, again I select mine as 24, done, and you choose it to do AC, to turn on the cooling. And then when temperatures between the previous temperatures, change the mode to it's up to you. You can because it's between 23 and 24, you can make it heat, just so it's on the around 24 degrees. And then you go next, and then you go thermostat indoors. Here you can select what's your thermostat, and here is all the doors and windows you select to make sure they're selected, and once they're open or closed, this thing will start its magic. Oops, not that one. Okay, and you click next. You can make it set so when you open a door, and if somebody keeps opening and closing, you don't want the thermostat going on and off. So you set a kind of a delay, which is default to 1 minute, but you can make it longer. So you can keep it in 1 minute to actually turn off. If the door or window is open more than 1 minute, it will actually do the action. So next, and then here's a thermostat booster. This is if just went down, your temperature went down a bit, you can set it to automatically turn on and set the temperature back. And here's to set notifications if somebody opened the door or the AC turned on, you can or off. You can get notified here on the action that it got performed. Once you click done, you're pretty much set. So those are the two options. I've been using both. They all work great. So whichever one's easier for you, and that should be it. It's pretty straightforward. If you want to modify it down the road, it's pretty easy. So this is it from the app side, and thank you for watching.